Good morning, student. Today I am going to start our sixth lecture for class 10th subject chemistry. In the last video, I was taught about the importance of pH in everyday life. Now, today I am going to talk about the some important chemical compound. आप लोगों को कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट केमिकल कंपाउंड के प्रिपरेशन और यूज के बारे में पढ़ना है, जिसमें दीज आर द सिक्स्थ केमिकल कंपाउंड. फर्स्ट इज आवर कॉमन सॉल्ट, सेकंड ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, थर्ड इज आवर प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस, फोर्थ caustic soda, fifth washing soda, and sixth is our baking soda. These are the examples. First common salt, second bleaching powder, third plaster of Paris, fourth caustic soda, fifth baking soda, and sixth washing soda. Here I am going to talk about the first compound, which is common salt. What is its preparation and what are its uses? So here first of all we write its common name. What is the common name? Common name. Common name is our common salt. Common salt. Now chemical name. Chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Chemical formula. NaCl. The common name of common salt is common salt, साधारण नमक. Chemical name sodium chloride. Chemical formula NaCl. Now I am coming on the topic for the preparation of common salt. Preparation. How common salt is prepared? Common salt is prepared in large amount by the evaporation of seawater. Seawater के इवेपोरेशन से कॉमन सॉल्ट की प्राप्ति हम लोग करते हैं. In laboratory, common salt is prepared by the neutralization reaction of sodium hydroxide and dilute hydrochloric acid. Here is our, it is prepared in large scale, large amount scale. It is prepared in large scale from the evaporation of seawater. It is prepared in large scale from the evaporation of seawater. Seawater के evaporation से लार्ज स्केल में हम लोग कॉमन सॉल्ट की प्राप्ति करते हैं, साधारण नमक की प्राप्ति करते हैं. नाउ आई एम कमिंग ऑन द uses. First, इट इज यूज्ड इन डेली फूड, साधारण नमक का उपयोग हम लोग प्रतिदिन के भोजन में करते हैं। इट इज यूज्ड इन डेली फूड। सेकेंड, it is used as preservative in the preparation of pickles. It is used as preservative. It is used as preservative. Preservation. It is preservative. It is used as preservation. It is used as preservative. It is used as preservative for the preparation of pickles. Third, it is used in the manufacture of caustic soda. It is used in the manufacture of caustic soda. Fourth, it is also used in the manufacture of washing soda, and the seventh is also fifth. The third is it is used in the manufacture of caustic soda. Fourth property is that it is used in the manufacture of washing soda. Sixth property is also it is used in the manufacture of baking soda. These are the usage of common salt. Second, our compound is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Common name. The common name of bleaching powder is our bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Chemical name. The chemical name of bleaching powder is our calcium oxychloride. Chemical formula. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2 or COClCl. CaOCl2 or CaOClCl. Preparation. How it is prepared? Bleaching powder is prepared by passing chlorine gas on dry slag lime. जब क्लोरीन गैस को ड्राई स्लैग लाइम से होकर के प्रवाहित करते हैं, पास कराते हैं, तो ब्लीचिंग पाउडर की प्राप्ति होती है। When chlorine gas is passed over dry slag lime, then bleaching powder is obtained. When it is prepared, it is manufactured. By passing chlorine gas over dry slagged lime, CaOH whole 2 plus Cl2 CaOCl2 plus H2. Uses. Here our bleaching powder is prepared. It is prepared by passing chlorine gas on dry slag lime, then bleaching powder is obtained. The chemical reaction takes place CaOH whole 2 plus Cl2, CaOCl2 plus H2O. Here, what are their uses? First use is that it is used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free from germs. इसका उपयोग दूषित जल को प्रदूषित कीटाणुओं को नष्ट करके पीने योग्य बनाने में होता है। दूषित जल में उपस्थित जो जीवाणु बैक्टीरिया होते हैं उसको यह नष्ट कर देता है और वह दूषित जल आफ्टर द डिस्ट्रॉय ऑफ बैक्टीरिया एंड वायरस इट बिकम पोटेबल वाटर, यह वह पानी पीने के योग्य हो जाता है। तो इट इज यूज्ड फॉर disinfecting drinking water to make it free from germs. It is used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free from germs. The first property is that, the first use of bleaching powder is it is used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free from germs. ब्लीचिंग पाउडर जो है दूषित जल को उसमें उपस्थित बैक्टीरिया को डिस्ट्रॉय करके और सॉल्युबल इम्प्योरिटीज को डिस्ट्रॉय करके पीने योग्य यह पानी को बनाने में ब्लीचिंग पाउडर का उपयोग किया जाता है। द सेकेंड इज दैट our first use. Second, it is used as in bleaching. It is used in bleaching the color of clothes. It is used in bleaching the color of clothes. कपड़े के रंगों को ब्लीच करने में इसका उपयोग ब्लीचिंग पाउडर का उपयोग किया जाता है। It is also used for bleaching wood pulp in paper factory. बांस के पत्ते से कागज को तैयार करने में ब्लीचिंग पाउडर का उपयोग किया जाता है। It is used for bleaching wood pulp in the manufacture. It is used for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry. It is also used in bleaching wood pulp in paper factory. It is used in bleaching. It is used in bleaching wood pulp in paper factory. These are the use of bleaching powder. Here, you students should understand that that question is not directly asked in your examination, in board examination. In this way, write the preparation and uses of bleaching powder. The question, number of times the question has come, write the preparation and uses. It means the question has asked in this way, a compound of calcium which is used in the manufacture of paper industry. Write its preparation and uses. In another way, a compound of calcium, in another type of question may be asked. It has been asked in this way, a compound of calcium which is used for making disinfecting drinking water to make it free from germs. Write its preparation and uses. तो यहाँ पर कैल्शियम कंपाउंड, कैल्शियम का कंपाउंड कह रहा है कि एक कैल्शियम का कंपाउंड है जिसका उपयोग दूषित जल को शुद्ध करके पीने योग्य बनाने में किया जाता है। उस कंपाउंड के बनाने की विधि और उसका उपयोग वहाँ पर डायरेक्ट नहीं पूछा गया है कि ब्लीचिंग पाउडर। ब्लीचिंग पाउडर डायरेक्ट पूछने पर बच्चे समझ जाते हैं, लेकिन वही थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करके पूछा जाएगा कि कंपाउंड ऑफ कैल्शियम विच इज यूज्ड for disinfecting drinking water to make it free from germs. Write its preparation and usage. Now today class is going to finish. Thank you. Dhanyavad.